Welcome back to the project, everybody. I actually took a chance and found these boards and all the character that's in them and decided I want them as my new top shelf. So I took the old top shelf and put an edge on it, and I decided I was going to use that for my sideboards for the bottom two shelves. But before I could do any of that, I had to clean the epoxy and the glue off of these shelves and take them over to a guy I know locally that had a drum sander, since I don't have one, to help sand these boards down to relative thickness so that it's easier to work with. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to keep updated on this project. And it's everyone's favorite part of woodworking again. That's right, it's sanding. And more sanding. And even more sanding. Did I mention the sanding? How about sanding and sleeping? That sounds good. What the heck is happening here? Okay, get back to work. Okay, so at this point the boards are just sanding themselves? What is happening in my shop? Adding a nice little chamfer to the front of each shelf gives it a nice smooth surface to work with, so I'm not catching any sharp corners in the finished project. Yeah, that'll do nicely. I only sanded these up to 120 grit because I figure I still gotta glue the shelves together, and then I can finish sand later to really bring out the epoxy pores. So it's not totally done, just as far as I need to take it for this step. I didn't chamfer all the way to the ends because that's just gonna get cut off anyway. And the next step in this project is to build this shelf unit. So stay tuned.